Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Stellar XLM. This is the big news of the Stellar XLM. Keep watch this video complete because this is important news. And before starting this video, please also subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the changes the current price of the XLM is 0.27391 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Stellar XLM. Furthermore, you can see if we discuss the price changes of the Stellar XLM. So at this time the last 1 hour change occurred in the XLM is negative, and the previous change occurred in the XLM is positive, my friends. The last 1 day and 1 week change occurred in the XLM as positive, my friends. At this time I'm talking about today changes, my friends. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Stellar XLM. Now you know what, in the July month the price will take a huge pump. That is my personal prediction, and I also predicted the XLM coin in my future previous videos that XLM will take a huge pump, and there is a lot of chances to they continue has changes throughout this whole July month. That is why I really recommend for everyone to please buy more and more XLM. I know the previous month in the June month the price of XLM is completely fast down. You can see here the changes is still negative 33.92%, but that's not mean that you decide to sell. No, my friends, you have to hold. If you want profit, you can see at this time if you decide to sell XLM, so you are completely and the loss. For profit you have to hold. If you hold, so you will get profit. By other side, if you decide to sell, so nothing you will get, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Stellar XLM? What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.